Hello everyone. So what are we going to talk about today is ComEdK counseling. So what are the documents you'll be submitting in ComEdK counseling? When and where will the counseling happen? And what are the eligibility norms? So these things we'll be discussing in a brief manner. So before getting into the video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon without fail so that you will be updated with my daily videos. So let's get into the video now. Yeah. So yeah, due to this COVID-19 issues, the exact date of this 2020 year ComEdK counseling is not confirmed by the organization, and the address where this counseling happen is the NMKRV College, Mankala Mantapa, 3rd block, Jainagar in Bangalore, and the landmark is North South End Circle. This is where the ComEdK counseling happens. So now first we'll see what are the documents candidates should submit in the ComEdK counseling. Okay, so the first thing is ComEdK rank card. So for every documents, what I'm going to say now is you should submit only the original copies with 2 Xerox copies. Okay, clear? So the first thing is ComEdK rank card, 1 original and 2 photocopies. It's like a Xerox copy. Okay. So the second thing is ComEdK application form. Even this is like 1 original and 2 photocopies. Okay, everything you should submit 1 original and 2 photocopies. So the third document is your original ID proof. Okay, it may be Aadhaar card or a license or it may be anything. You should have original. Okay. And the fourth one is ComEdK TAT. So the TAT is the the test admission ticket. Okay, TAT is the test admission ticket. So then fifth is the guide. So the guide who will be coming with you, it may be your parents or brother. It can be anyone who is coming into the during the selection process. So even the guide needs original documents like ID proof. It may be Aadhaar card or driving license, anything. With even the guide should have 1 original copy and 2 photocopies. Okay. So the sixth document is your date of birth. So date of birth certificate, you should have the original and your photocopies, 2 photocopies with SSLC certificate. Okay, original and photocopies. So the next document is your PUC or +2 mark card. Okay. So the next document is minority based certificates. There are a set of minority certificate bases. I'll be giving the link on the description. You can go and check. So you just keep my video as a brief, as a reference, and you go check into the link which I'm giving in the description without fail. So the next point is your NATA scorecard. So NATA scorecard you will be downloading in from the online. You can give it as a proof. Okay. So the next point is the DD. This DD is like you are setting your seat. It's like fixing amount of your seat in a college. Okay, the DD amount is the current update is for 55,000. It may vary if there is any changes, and I'll update you regarding it later. So these 10 documents is for the first round in the counseling process. Now is a surrender form. The first document in second round is surrender form. So if any candidate in second round, in case any candidate surrender or cancel any seat allotted in the first round. Okay, so you got the meaning. And the next document is original ComEdK allotment letter and fees paid receipt of ComEdK. Okay, so the next document is original verification card issued by the ComEdK. These 3 documents also you will be having 1 original copy and 2 photocopies. So photocopies is basically Xerox copy. So yeah, let us discuss about the eligibility norms. So in eligibility norms, the first point is there will be 2 opportunities for a candidate. You can choose both or any one. It's your wish. So the second point is candidates physical present is must. Okay. Third point is mismatch. If there is any proxy which is found, then it is called a criminal prosecution. Okay. So the fourth point is original documents. If any case you should have an original document. Okay, that is a must point in this ComEdK counseling procedures, and 2 photocopies attached with it. So the next point is only 1 person should come as your guide. Okay. Regarding those counseling procedures, and you should have even the guides ID proof. It may be a license or Aadhaar card or voter ID. It can be any ID with 2 photocopies and original. Okay. So the next thing is no mobiles or electric equipments is allowed inside the venue. Okay. Next point is any duplicate which is it's like I have lost my, if in case it's I have lost my original copy and I have made an FIR. So if there is any case regarding it, the candidate is not allowed inside the ComEdK counseling. Okay. So the next point is the competent authority to get certificate. Okay, so the next, so these are the basic eligibility norms. So let me explain you how this counseling process happens in a brief. Okay, so this counseling completely they'll be separating into a batch of candidates. Okay, this batching is happens according to the COMEDK rank list. Okay, clear? So okay, so as soon as you enter into the venue, you will be there will be formalities or process happening. So the first thing is they'll be checking your documents, and they'll be registering your norms into the COMEDK. The set of formalities will be happening. So okay, so after you enter into the hall, okay, just think I am a batch 6 student, and as soon as I enter the venue, the batch 5 people will be allotting their colleges. So we'll be looking into a screen like each college will be having its own code. If BMS is a college, like it will be having a code 1, a college code 1, college code 2. Every college has their own codings. Okay, so the batch 6 people, we'll be looking into how many availability of seats is there, how much is filled, and total number of seats allotted in those particular colleges. Okay, so if the organization will be given a form to us, it's like we'll be having a 3 preferences blank. Okay, so each blank we should fill our first preference, second preference, third preference. Just take an example. It's like I'm giving an example. My first preference is BMS college. Okay, my second preference is RV college, and third preference is Dayananda Sagar. Okay, so as soon as the batch 5 people the procedures is completed, the batch 6 will be going and filling our seats. Allotment will be going under allotment process, and batch 7 will be looking into what we are doing. It's like how many colleges is there, and code according to it. Okay, so as soon as our turn comes, we'll be having a set of preferences in our hand with a form. So okay, if just think, if my first preference BMS college doesn't have any seat and every seat is filled, so automatically they'll be looking into your second preference. Second preference is RV college, just an example. If RV college is also seat is filled, they'll automatically get into your third preference. So if there is a seat allotted, availability in Dayananda Sagar as my third preference, they'll be asking you like, okay, are you satisfied with Dayananda Sagar? And you'll be, if you are satisfied, they'll be registering your allotment, and you will be given an allotment letter according to the procedures. So this is how the COMEDK first round happens. And so if in case you didn't get any colleges in your third preference too, so you'll be looking into the second round of your COMEDK counseling. Okay, the second round of COMEDK counseling will be happening later. There will be a gap between those 2 dates. Okay, so in second round counseling, there will be a chances of getting better colleges too. This happens like people who have allotted their seats may cancel due to their personal reasons. It may be anything. So you will be having their vacancy seat filled according to the rank list, the further this thing. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding whatever I spoke till now, I'll be giving a link in the description. You can go and check. And if you have any doubt regarding these things, you can always ask in comment or personally text me in Instagram, and my Instagram link is given in the description. So yeah, we have come to the end of the video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon without fail, so that you will be updated with my daily videos. I hope you have understood whatever we talked till now. Yeah, let's meet in a new video. Bye.